Hello everyone, welcome to Assam Prep. আজি আমি পঢ়িম বায়োলজিৰ টপ MCQ'ৰ পাৰ্ট 4. So guys, আমি ভিডিওটো ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰোঁ. আমাৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন হ'ল ৰিফ্লেক্স actions are controlled by options হ'ল spinal cord, cell, brain, nerves. Correct answer হ'ল আমাৰ A, spinal cord. Question number 2, which one of the following is not an insect? Options হ'ল bedbug, housefly, spider, mosquitoes. Correct answer হ'ল আমাৰ C, spider. So guys, spider insect category nahe, etu monot rakhibo. Question number 3, which cell organelles are involved in photosynthesis? Options are plastids, plasmids, chloroplast, lipids. Correct answer hol amar C, chloroplast. Question number 4, the study of structures of organisms, their cells and their organelles at molecular level is known as. Options are cell biology, molecular biology, environmental biology, microbiology. Correct answer hol amar A, cell biology. Question number 5, it is a hereditary material and contains the genetic information which is passed on from one generation to another. Options are chromosome, RNA, DNA, none of this. Correct answer hol amar C, DNA. Question number 6, where does protein synthesis take place in the cell? Options are ribosomes, mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleus. Correct answer hol amar A, ribosomes. Question number 7, in plant cell, which structure provides a definite shape to the cell and makes it right? Options are cell membrane, cell wall, epidermis, chitin. Correct answer hol amar B, cell wall. Question number 8, dash produces a usable form of energy for the cell. Options are lysosome, mitochondria, vacuoles, ribosomes. Correct answer hol amar B, mitochondria. Aru eta question ahibo pare, which is known as the power hub of the cell. To correct answer hol amar mitochondria. Question number 9, which blood group is universal donor? So guys, universal donor mane hol jikono patient or ami blood dibo parim. Itu hol amar answer O negative. Jar O negative blood group hoy tahon jikono patient or blood can dibo paribo, donate koribo paribo. So guys, our next question hol question number 10, which blood group is universal recipient? So guys, universal recipient mane hol আমি যে ব্লাড গ্ৰুপ ৰিচিভ কৰিব পাৰিম, এইটো হ'ল আমাৰ AB. মানে যাৰ AB ব্লাড গ্ৰুপ আছে তাও যিকোনো ব্লাড গ্ৰুপ ৰিচিভ কৰিব পাৰিব. নেক্সট হ'ল কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 11, the largest artery in human body is. Options হ'ল aorta, capillary, vena cava, pulmonary veins. Correct answer হ'ল আমাৰ A, aorta. So guys, আপুনি ডায়াগ্ৰামত চাব পাৰিব, এইটো হ'ল আমাৰ aorta. It is the largest artery in human body. Our next one, question number 12, number of chambers found in human heart is. Options are 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, heart diagram চাব পাৰিব, এইটো হ'ল এটা chamber 1, 2, 3, 4. এটা right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle and left ventricle. Correct answer হ'ল আমাৰ 4. Question number 13, blood pressure is the pressure exerted on the wall of. Options are heart, veins, cell, artery. Correct answer hol amar D, artery. Question number 14, which statement regarding the mammalian heart is correct? Options are blood is pumped from the heart via the atrium. So guys, it atrium hobo. Oxygen loaded blood moves only through the right side of the heart. The right atrium contracts, forces blood to the left atrium. In the adult heart, blood is in the right chamber of the heart, cannot enter the left chamber without passing through the lungs. So guys, correct answer hol amar D, in the adult heart, blood is in the right chamber of the heart and cannot enter the left chamber without passing through the lungs. So guys, it hol amar correct answer. Question number 15, which of the following carries oxygen to various parts of the human body? So guys, options are nerves, plasma, white blood cells, red blood cells. Correct answer hol amar D, red blood cells. Question number 16, instrument used to measure blood pressure. Options are ECG, stethoscope, sphygmomanometer, armband. So guys, আমি blood pressure এইটো মেচিনেৰে যোগো, এইটোৰ নাম হ'ল sphygmomanometer. Correct answer হ'ল আমাৰ C. 17, lymph carries digested and absorbed fat from. Options are lungs, intestine, stomach, kidney. Correct answer হ'ল আমাৰ B, intestine. Question number 18, hemoglobin, the oxygen carrying substance in red blood cell, is a. অপশনস হল protein, fats, carbohydrates, nucleic acid. Correct answer হল আমার A, protein. Question number 19. The smallest blood vessels which are 1 cell thick are called options of capillaries, arteries, veins, vena cava. Correct answer হল আমার A, capillaries. Question number 20. Name the blood cells in which nucleus is absent. Options are blood platelets, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils. Correct answer হল আমার A, blood platelets. So guys, যদি ভিডিওটো ভাল লাগিল হয় চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্রাইব কৰিব, ভিডিওটো লাইক কৰিব, কমেন্ট কৰিব এন্ড শেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু পিডিএফ লাগিলে prepassam@gmail.com ত মেইল কৰি দিব, যিটো মই ডেসক্ৰিপচনত দি দিছো। এন্ড গাইজ ৰিগাৰ্ডিং কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্স আপুনি ইনষ্টাগ্ৰামত আসাম প্ৰেমত ফলো কৰিব, তাতে মই যিটো ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্স হয় তাতে আপলোড দি থাকো। সো গাইজ থ্যাংক ইউ, ধন্যবাদ।